Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TP-Link Tapo to Home Assistant step by step clearly. To authenticate TP-Link Tapo with Home Assistant, start by ensuring you have both applications installed and ready. Open your Home Assistant interface in a web browser. Log in to your Home Assistant account. Navigate to the Settings section on the left-hand side of the interface. Click on the Integrations option. In the Integrations page, look for the plus button at the bottom right corner. Click on the plus button to add a new integration. Search for TP-Link Tapo in the search bar. Select the TP-Link Tapo integration from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the integration. You will need to provide your Tapo account credentials. Enter your email address associated with your Tapo account. Next, input your Tapo account password. Confirm the information you entered to proceed. At this point, Home Assistant will attempt to connect to your Tapo account. If the authentication is successful, your Tapo devices will be automatically imported into Home Assistant. You can now view and control your Tapo devices directly from the Home Assistant dashboard. If you encounter any errors during the process, double-check your credentials and ensure your Tapo account is active. Once everything is set up, explore the possibilities of automating your Tapo devices through Home Assistant. By linking TP-Link Tapo to Home Assistant, you enhance your smart home experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.